Hello, this is Taylor, and I'm Cassidy, and we're trying to make cars honk. Here's the first one. That was rude. Okay. We have to wait for another one. Okay, there's one coming. They waved! That was rude! Okay, so far we have one car. Numero. There's one coming. They only wave. They don't know what that means. Here comes one. Did you see that lady? She just gave the thing back to us. Okay, well. We're only going to try and get one more, then we're done. Beep! Beep! Yeah, that was rude. Okay. No cars coming. No cars in sight whatsoever. Watch your spot carefully. Do I hear a car? Yes, I do. Yeah! Another one. Okay, that was rude.